Vážení diváci, vítám vás u našich mimořádných zpráv z nedávno uskutečněného týdne mobilit, který se konal v rámci projektu Erasmus. Od 9. do 13. dubna u nás pobývali naši kamarádi z ciziny. Přijeli ze škol z Polska, Slovenska, Chorvatska, Rumunska a jedna skupina i ze školy v Ostravě. Celkem u nás strávili v počtu bezmála 30 dětí 5 dní nabitých zajímavým programem. A co všechno viděli a jaké zážitky si od nás odvezli, nám také sami ve studiu řekli na kameru.
V pondělí, poté co jsme přijeli, každá škola představila svou zemi a sebe.
Poté jsme se seznamovali pomocí povídání a kreslení.
Jako další nás čekaly workshopy.
Na prvním jsme vyráběli ptáčky z ovčí vlny, dělali pexeso a pekli tvarohové koláče.
Jelikož pršelo, tak jsme museli čekat a víc se seznamovat.
Jakmile přestalo pršet, tak jsme šli do Jablunkova a tam do muzea. Po prohlídce jsme dostali otázky o Jablunkově a měli jsme za úkol se zeptat místních lidí.
Na konci dne jsme měli volný čas a tak většina z nás šla ven.
After we arrived to school, each school had presentation about them and their country. Then we were getting to know each other pupils by drawing and discussing about our hobbies and interests. We had some interesting workshops in which we were cooking cakes, making pexeso, and creating birds from sheep wool. After this, we had a small break because of the rain. When the rain stopped, we go to the town of Jablunkov. There we went to museum and there we got some questions and we had to ask inhabitants of Jablunkov to get the answer. It was funny and we discovered by this more about Jablunkov. After program, we had free time and most of us went outside.
Znate li gdje ptičice pjevaju najljepše i šume su najzelenije? Otkrit ćemo vam kako možete pronaći to mjesto. Današnju avanturu smo krenuli iz sela Dolna Lomna, gdje nam je načelnica Pavlinova poželjela dobrodošlicu i nakon tradicionalnog doručka otišli smo na farmu i vidjeli domaće životinje i kako se pravi sir. Na tradicionalan način. Vinku se najviše svidjelo planinarenje kroz šumu planine Kotava. Posjetili smo muzej u prvoj javnoj školi. Naša užina su bile izvrsne tradicionalne palačinke. Naša sljedeća stanica bila je na području Matice Slezska, gdje nam je načelnica Kantorova ispričala sve muzičkim festivalima i filmovima koji su snimljeni u ovoj regiji. U planinama Beskidi u selu Hrčava Luki se najviše svidjela najmanja škola u Češkoj. Emi se najviše svidjela tromeđa Češke, Poljske i Slovačke. Načelnik Stanjo predstavio je turistički potencijal tromeđe. Naši Erasmus domaćini pomogli su nam zapaliti vatru i ispeći kobasice. Neobičan prekrasan dan u prirodi smo završili fotonatjecanje. Ta aktivnost najviše se svidjela Mandi i Doroteji. Predlažemo vam posjetiti mjesta na kojima su šume najljepše u Češkoj. Hrvatski Erasmus tim je sretan što je dio ove avanture. Hvala Češka, hvala Navsi.
Do you know where the bird's song is the most beautiful and the forests are the greenest? We will tell you how you can discover that place. Our adventure we started in village Donilova. Miss Pavlinova welcomed us and after traditional breakfast we went to the farm. We saw domestic animals and how people make the cheese in the traditional way. Vinko most likes climbing through the forest in Kotava mountain. We visited museum in first public school and our snack, traditional potato pancakes, were delicious.
Jesteśmy w Dolni Lomna. Na obiad dzisiaj mieliśmy smażony ser z frytkami i chciałbym zakomunikować, iż bardzo mi smakowało.
Our next station was Ariel Matice Slezska, where Mayor Kantorova told us all about music festivals and filmmaking in this region. In Mountain Beskidi, in village Hrčava, Luka likes the smallest school in Czech Republic. Emma likes the most triangle of Czech, Polish and Slovak. Mayor Stanjo was introduced us touristic possibilities of triangle. Our Erasmus host helped us make a fire and bake sausages. Lovely unusual day in the nature was finished with photo competition. These activities is the funniest for Manda and Dorotea. We suggested you visited the places where the forests are the most beautiful in Czech. Erasmus Croatian team is happy to be a part of this adventure. Thank you Czech Republic, thank you NAVSI.
W środę odwiedziliśmy wiele wspaniałych miejsc, pustewnie, pomnik Radagasta i kaplicę świętego Cyryla i Metodego oraz skansen.
Najbardziej jednak zauroczyły nas widoki podczas podróży kolejką górską.
Gdy wjechaliśmy na górę, ujrzeliśmy wspaniałe domy, a w kolejnej części wędrówki udaliśmy się pod pomnik Radagasta.
Od teraz nie będzie nam się kojarzył wyłącznie z reklamą piwa.
Na górze mieliśmy również okazję spróbowania tradycyjnej czeskiej potrawy.
Po skończeniu spaceru w Beskidach udaliśmy się na dół i pojechaliśmy do skansenu w Roznowie.
Mogliśmy tam zobaczyć, jak mieszkali ludzie w dawnych czasach i przekonaliśmy się, że ich życie wcale nie było łatwe.
Był to naprawdę ekscytujący dzień i na pewno będziemy go miło wspominać. On Wednesday we visited a lot of incredible places: Pustevny, the chapel of Saint Cyril and Methodius, statue of Radagast, the wooden townlet.
The view on the chairlift we enjoyed the most.
After that, when we went upstairs, we saw amazing houses. In the next part of our trip, we went to the Radagast statue.
Till now, it won't make us think of beer advertise.
We also had an opportunity to try a traditional Czech food.
After our walk in Beskidy Mountains, we went down and we drove by bus to wooden townlet in Rožnov.
We could see there how people lived in the past.
Now we know that their life wasn't easy.
It was a very exciting day, and for sure we will remember it very well.
Milí priatelia, chceme sa s vami podeliť o zážitky z Ostravy.
Hneď ráno sme sa moderným poschodovým vlakom presunuli do Ostravy, kde nás čakali naši priatelia z ostravskej školy.
Oni pre nás pripravili program na tento deň.
Najprv nás zobrali na exkurziu do Banského múzea.
Dostať sa hlboko do podzemia, do hĺbky 661 metrov, prechádzať banskými šachtami podzemí, spoznať ťažkú prácu baníkov, bol pre nás veľký zážitok.
Ostravský deň pokračoval workshopmi v areáli Baníckeho múzea.
Veľmi sa nám páčilo aj námestie v Ostrave.
Škoda, že sme v samotnom meste mali málo času na osobné voľno.
Celý deň vyvrcholil návštevou Ostravskej zoo, kde sme videli rôzne exotické zvieratá.
Zároveň sme plnili aj rozličné úlohy.
Síce unavení, ale plný zážitkov sme sa vracali vlakom späť do Navsi.
Touto cestou sa chceme poďakovať riaditeľovi základnej škole v Navsi, učiteľom, kamarátom z celého Erasmu a taktiež hosťovským rodinám za starostlivosť. Dear friends, we are from Slovakia and our names are Anna and Peter. We would like to tell you about the fourth day that was in Ostrava. We started to travel by train in the early morning. Our partner school was waiting for us in Ostrava. They prepared the activities for us. We went to the Museum of Mine. We went to 661-meter depths. It was really amazing to see the mine because it was the first time. Then we had workshops in this place. We really liked it, the main square in Ostrava, but we didn't have much time for free time. The best was the zoo, where we saw a lot of exotic animals. There we had a competition. We were so tired, but full of adventure. At the end, we traveled home by the train again. By the way, we would like to thank the headmaster of the school in Navsi, teachers and all friends for Erasmus+. We can't forget for the host families. We are really looking forward for the next mobility. Thanks for everything.
Ziua de vineri a fost una plăcută, interesantă, dar în același timp tristă, pentru că ne despărțim de prietenii noștri dragi. Ne bucurăm că am avut ocazia să vizităm NAFSI, că am avut parte de jocuri interesante și că am asistat la lecții și am participat la proiectul Erasmus. Vă mulțumim pentru ospitalitate și pentru că ne-ați oferit o săptămână de neuitat.
Friday has been a beautiful and interesting day, but at the same time sad because we have to leave our friends. We are glad that we have the chance to visit NAFSI and its surroundings, that we play some interesting and funny games, that we took a part in lesson and we also worked for our Erasmus project. We want to thank you for offering us an amazing and unforgettable week. Děkuji.
Z dnešních mimořádných zpráv to je všechno. Věříme, že jste všemu rozuměli a pokud ne, neváhejte a učte se jazyky. Stále totiž platí, že kolik jazyků umíš, tolikrát jsi člověkem. Ze studia školní televize Na stopě se loučím a možná někdy na viděnou.